I can't see it and I know it looks bad. It feels like I have it in my eye here. Is it on? Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a no mirror makeup challenge, and this was all over YouTube about 5 years ago, and I saw that Steph Toms had this on her channel about a month ago, and I was like, you know what, this was really fun. I enjoyed watching it and I forgot how fun these types of videos were, and I didn't do it the first time round. I don't really know why. I think it's probably because I knew that I wouldn't be able to do it and it would turn out really bad, but today I know it's going to turn out bad. I'm not going to go out after this. I'm actually going to take off my makeup before I go out to the shops because I know it's going to be a disaster. And I did put a poll up on my Instagram and asked you guys if you did want to see this video, and about 99% of you guys said yes, so I decided I was going to go ahead and do it. So if you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and also make sure to hit the bell icon just so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, like I said, I know for a fact my makeup is going to turn out really bad. I'm going to try and do false eyelashes as well, and it's going to turn out probably not the best. I'm probably going to have one eyelash flipping up like this, so I'm just expecting it to be really bad. And I've never done my makeup not in a mirror before. The closest thing I've done to that is when I used to work in an office. I used to get up about 6 o'clock and do my makeup. It used to be so dull, there was no light, and I used to do it in my bedroom, so I used to have the light on really low because I didn't want to wake Neil up, and I would do my makeup, get to work, realise that my makeup looked horrendous for my foundation. It wasn't blended or anything like that. So I have had times when my makeup hasn't looked good, but I just know for a fact this is going to be really bad, and I'm so excited to do it because I really enjoy seeing these types of videos. So if you want to see me do this makeup challenge, then just keep watching. So here is my everyday makeup bag. It is absolutely massive, can just about fit it in the camera, and this is pretty much the types of things that I use every day. I've got like 3 or 4 of different things because I know that I need to use them up. After doing my last declutter video, I realised that I have so much makeup that I have not used, or things that I've used and then completely forgotten about them. So I've put everything in this makeup bag here, and then I'll choose what I want to do every day. So I'm just going to basically take things out of this bag. I do also have a viewfinder right here that I look into for my camera, and I'm going to flip it over because I don't want any cheating. And I remember what it was like when I had my last camera. I didn't have a viewfinder and it didn't have autofocus. It was the worst thing if you're a YouTuber, because I used to have to get a mirror and put it behind the camera to actually see if I was in focus, so it was just really bad. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the viewfinder over. So now I have absolutely no idea if I'm actually in the camera or if I'm in focus because I flipped over the viewfinder, but you know what? That's the fun of it. If it goes wrong, it's just a video that goes wrong. So I'm not going to do any primer just because, like I mentioned, I am going to take this off before I go out, and there's no point in priming my face if it's not going to stay on my face anyway. I'm going to start off by doing my base, and I'm using a Mercier Tinted Moisturiser Oil Free. I love this stuff. The shade that I have at the moment is 1W1, and I don't have any self tan on, like you guys can see. The only annoying thing is I have a neutral undertone, and this looks quite orange on me, and if I got the cool one it would look very pink on me. You guys know that if you have a neutral undertone and you put on a warm undertone, it can look orange, and then if you put on a cool undertone it can look very pink. That's the issue that I have because I've got to buy the cool one so I can mix the two together so I get the perfect undertone. But if you guys do have a lot of redness, and you'll know that if you do put a neutral undertone foundation on, then it does neutralise all of the redness anyway. So even if I didn't have a neutral undertone, I'd probably just buy a neutral one anyway because I do have a lot of redness. And I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to use this to highlight and conceal where I usually do. I'm going to try and do my makeup how I usually would, so with the eyeshadow and lashes and things like that. So it's probably going to turn out horrendous, but you never know. This could turn out good. I literally just poked myself in the eye with the concealer, so I don't feel like it's going to get very good today. If you guys saw my video where I was testing out new makeup, I did test out the Tarte concealer, and I still don't like it that much. Like, I do like it, but I feel like that my e.l.f. concealer is just so much better. I don't feel like I get full coverage with this, and I don't know, I don't feel like it's as good as everyone says it is. But I just feel like one of those people, because I don't even like the Laura Mercier powder and everyone absolutely loves it, and for me, I'm just using it because I have it in my collection and it cost me a lot of money. So yeah, I feel like I'm one of those people where I don't like things that other people love. And I'm just baking all of this into place using the Laura Mercier translucent powder, which I said that I don't like, but like I said, using it up because I paid a lot of money for it. If you guys do want to have a translucent powder, I do recommend the Coty Airspun if you live in the US. If you live in the UK, I don't really know at the moment because that one ran out, so I decided to buy this one. And I'm going to attempt to bronze using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, which I love. I do need to buy another one of these because, as you can see, I've hit pan. To be honest, it'll probably look like makeup that I used to do when I was in high school because I didn't know what I was doing then. Honestly, my makeup, I look at photos from when I was in high school and my makeup was so bad. I had the concealer lips. If you guys are about my age, you'll know exactly what the concealer lips were. Basically, you used to put a foundation on, you used to put it over the lips, and you used to put concealer over the top of the lips and then put a lip balm or a lip gloss, so it looked like that your lips were non-existent. So that was fun, and every time I look back at photos I just laugh so much because I also had extensions and blue hair. Honestly, it sounds good, and some people that do have blue hair, they pull it off and it looks really, really good. Me, no. So if you guys do want to see a video on how I used to do my makeup in high school, then I will do one. I've just been sort of a bit worried because I can't actually remember everything that I used to use. If you guys remember the Dream Matte Mousse, that was like the only foundation that everyone used when I was at school, and you put as many layers as you can on to make it as cakey as you can. It's changed now and people really like it, so I might have to give it another go and do one of those videos. So if you guys do want to see it, please let me know because it might be actually quite fun to do. So for blush, I'm using the Nudist Society from Wet n Wild. It's a nude packaging. I do have the old packaging for, I think it's Pearlescent Pink, one of my favourites. But this is a new favourite shade of mine. Then I'm taking my Wet n Wild highlighting powder in Precious Petals, and I love this stuff. It's one of my holy grails, and I will constantly be repurchasing it because it is just so good. It really reminds me of the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt in Hustler Baby. They are very, very similar with the shades, and they're both really nice highlighters and really blinding, so pretty good dupes. This is going to be one of the hardest bits. I'm not obviously going to look in the mirror that I have in here, but I'm going to use this palette, which is my Nude Beach by TheBalm. I used to love this palette, as you can see. I'm not looking in the mirror behind me. Yeah, it's very, very used. Love this stuff. I'm going to take the shade Bright first, and I'm going to put this in the crease. I'm hoping that I've memorised where all of the different parts of my eye are, and that I won't poke myself in the eye, but you never know. Would it poke myself in the eye? Where's the concealer one? If you see that I'm looking over here, it's literally because I need something to concentrate on. I do have my radiator here. There's no mirrors anywhere, so you can probably tell because my makeup probably looks absolutely horrendous, but I'm looking over here because I need something to concentrate on because I know that I'm going to poke myself if I don't concentrate on it. And then I'm going to take the same shade and work it underneath the eye. Then I'm taking the shade Brainiac here, and I'm going to put this on the outer third. And then also in the crease. And then I'm going to take the shade Buff and use my finger and just press this on the lid. My eyeshadow is done. I'm going to start off by doing my eyeliner, and I'm quite scared to do the waterline because I know that I'm probably going to poke myself and it's going to hurt. So I'm also going to do some liquid liner as well. Probably going to regret it. So I'm taking my NYX Slide On in Brown Perfection, which I use all the time. Then for eyeliner, I'm using my NYX liquid liner, which is a matte one. Alright, I'm going to keep it like that because I'm too scared to do any more of my eyeliner because I have a feeling that it's going to go in my eyeball. I don't want eyeliner running around my eyeball. It's not nice, it stings. And I don't want to set an end to this, but honestly it feels like I have it in my eye here. L'Oreal Air Volume Mega Mascara. I really don't like this. So many people love it. I don't like it. I just can't get on with it. I don't feel like it's worth the money. I think it was like $10.99. Honestly, guys, you need to get Maybelline mascaras. They're so much better than these. Maybelline Lash Lift and the Maybelline Sky High. I did try that in my last video, which was testing TikTok makeup, and I've been using it ever since. And then we will do the lower lashes. Oh, jeez. You know what? I don't even think I'm getting any lower lashes. I can feel that the mascara is underneath my eyelid right here. I can feel it. It is transferred on. I'm going to do some false eyelashes. And you guys are probably going to be like, you are absolutely crazy. And I'm just going to take my eyelashes that I usually do, which are just some Eylure ones. I can't remember the number of them, but I'll see if I can find it and then link it down below for you. Have you guys ever got lash glue in your eye before? That's what's going to happen right now. This is going to be hard. I can't even put false eyelashes on properly with a mirror, so this is going to be exciting to see. I can see the flap. Ugh. Is it on? Okay, I think it's stuck on. Is it looking nice? No, it's not, because I can see the band. I can see it flapping in my eye. I feel like this eyelash is stuck on, but I can see it flapping. Yeah, so it's probably not looking the best at the moment, but you know what? I'm having so much fun with this challenge, a lot of fun. And the only thing that's missing from this is someone sitting next to me. I wish that I had a friend sitting next to me filming this video, but obviously because of COVID, I can't have a friend round. But you know what? As soon as we can have friends round, I'm filming this video with one of my friends. I'm actually going to film it with Rochelle. You're going to love this. It's hilarious. You're going to have such a great time. My cousin Shell, she's basically my best friend. And when she comes down, we're filming this video. She's going to love it. I'm going to love it. Her daughter and her watch my videos all the time. And I just think it's so cute. But yeah, you're going to love it, Shell. I might even get Evie to do it. Evie's her daughter. And she's about 7 or 8. Sorry, Shell, if I get her age wrong. Oh, I can feel the glue in my eyeball. And I'm going to say a little story time for you guys. And this was quite a few years ago. My little sister, she was going to a party and she wanted false eyelashes put on. And at that time, I used to wear false eyelashes every single day. And I said to her, I was like, lie on the bed. Close your eyes, we'll put the eyelashes on this way. So I put the eyelashes on. It was all fine and dandy. And then I said, Molly, open your eyes. And her eye was like this. And I was like, Molly, open your eye. And she was like, I can't open my eye. My eyes are stuck together. And I couldn't stop laughing. She was laughing her head off on the bed. Bearing in mind, she was probably about like 11, I'd say, 10 or 11. She was laughing her head off on the bed. I was laughing. And then I shouted for my mum. My mum came upstairs and she went, what the hell are you doing? And I was like, Mum, it's fine. Her eyes are just stuck together. It's just eyelash glue. She'll be fine. It's not permanent. And she was like, get her eyes unstuck. This is ridiculous. How could you do this to your sister? Bearing in mind, she was peeing her pants, lying on the bed, couldn't open her eyelashes. And then my mum was having a moan at me. But obviously she didn't sound like that because my mum's got a really strong London accent. So she's like, why are you doing to my child? And she's probably going to kill me if she's seeing this video right now. But thing is, she was laughing. I was laughing. You know, she wasn't in pain. But, you know, mums see that your daughter can't open her eyes and then she automatically goes crazy, don't she? I wonder if Molly's watching this as well. I don't think she watches my videos, but hopefully she remembers that story. I think this one's done. But I feel like that there's a flap there and I feel like I'm sticking my eyelids together. I am going to leave the eyelashes because I don't want to get anything else in my eyes. So eyes are done. Do they look beautiful? I feel like they look beautiful right now and I can't even see. I'm going to do the brows as if I was doing my makeup nice and fancy Nancy. And I'm using 2 e.l.f. products and I did use these in one of my testing makeup videos. These are amazing and they're so cheap. £3, £4.50. Love it. I've also bought a backup of this as well because it's just that good. So I have very, very sparse brows. Oh no. I know that I've done that wrong. Oh no. Oh no, I've done it wrong. Do you guys remember about 2013, 2014? And everyone used to be crazy about their brows. Used to do ombre brows and stuff like that. Everyone used to get the Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow. I couldn't afford it, so I don't even know what I bought. Did I buy something from Makeup Revolution? And do you guys remember? Everyone used to do the block eyebrows, where it used to have like the massive block at the front. I used to do that. If you guys see some of my early videos where I had bleach blonde hair, my eyebrows are horrendous. I used to do very dark eyebrows and bleach blonde hair, and they were like slugs, and it looked so bad. Honestly, guys, go back and watch my old videos if you want to see how bad those brows were. And then I'm going to take my Wow Brow from e.l.f. and... Okay, if I look down, I do apologise, I'm trying to keep a face where my brows aren't like this.
This is horrendous. I can feel the gel on my skin.
I'm excited to see how this is going to turn out. This is going to be so bad. I know this is bad. I've done everything, but then the lips are the last things. And I'm going to see what lip product, if any, I have in here. So just a little thing for you. I was actually going to use my NYX Shine Loud lip colour. Then realised this does not come off for anything. Literally doesn't budge. So I would have to keep this on my face all day. And I wouldn't know how to get it off. So I'm not going to do lip liner. Or do I? Oh, let's see. Let's grab a lip liner. Okay, so I've got my Victoria's Secret Velvet Lip Liner. They don't sell this anymore, which is really sad. And I'm just going to try and line my lips. This isn't... Oh, it's like all the way down to like the nub. And then I'm taking my Sweetheart lipstick from Cab Cosmetics. Love the shade. I roughly know where my lips are. I always overline my lips because my top lip is absolutely tiny. Probably got lipstick on my teeth. Oh well. It just adds to how beautiful I'm looking right now. And then we're going to put on some gloss. And the last thing is the Cab Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Glazed. Love this lip gloss. Honestly, you guys, if you need to get a lip gloss from Cab Cosmetics, get this because it's amazing. And it smells beautiful. It smells exactly like cupcakes. So now that I've done my lips, that is the completed makeup look. And I'm now going to see how my makeup looks in my mirror. Dreaded it. I know it looks bad. I'm glad that I'm taking this off before I go out, so yeah. You know what? That isn't that bad. Bar the eyebrow and the mascara. That is actually, that's really good. I'm shocked. Oh, this eyebrow though. This eyebrow. That's bad. That's really bad. Only minimal lipstick on the teeth. Not that bad. In the viewfinder, it looks worse than it does in person. In person, it actually doesn't look too bad. What do you think?
It's not bad.
I did it with no mirror. Eyelashes don't look too bad, do they? Other than obviously that.
Yeah. That's pretty good.
Eyebrows.
I was about to say, are you going like...
Do a good job. So as you can see, the makeup didn't actually turn out as bad as I thought it would. I thought it would be absolutely horrendous. Now, obviously, the eyelashes are covering up my liquid liner, which I was scared to do. And I only paint myself in the eye once, so I feel like I did pretty good. The concealer was the only thing that poked me in the eye, and I thought everything else would poke me in the eye. But you know what? My eyeshadow doesn't actually look that bad. I'm actually quite impressed with it because I just thought that it was going everywhere. So I actually really enjoyed this challenge. I really want to do it again. I will do it again with my cousin as well, Shell. Next time you come down, we are going to be doing this challenge and it's going to be so much fun. But I really enjoyed this. I honestly thought that my makeup would look way worse than it did. And I feel like that my skills of doing makeup is actually better than I thought that it was. So I feel like I did pretty good and I'm actually really impressed with how I can do makeup. So if there are any challenges that you guys want me to do, just comment down below to let me know. And make sure that you do this video as well. It's so fun to do. It's really funny because obviously you can't see how your makeup's looking as you're doing it. You just have to sort of look at the end and sort of guess where everything is. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and make sure to give it a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!